Adding customers, suppliers, and contractor records in Workever is simple and can be done manually, or you can import your records via Excel. It's also possible to import your customers if you are using one of our accounting integrations. In this video, you will learn how to download the customer import file, how to fill in the customer import file, and how to import your customers via the import file in Workever. Downloading the customer import file. To download the customer import Excel file, go to the Contacts section, select the Import Contacts option and click Apply. In the Import pop-up window, click the Sample File option and download the file to your computer. How to fill in the customer import file. Open the file in Excel and fill it in with the necessary information. There are some mandatory fields that you need to fill in for the system to recognize the customer and import them correctly into your account. Customer type, which can be a company or a person, this is important to include, so that it indicates whether a customer entry is commercial or residential. Company name, it is mandatory for commercial customers. Customer first name, it is mandatory for residential customers. Customer last name, it is mandatory for residential customers. Email address, it is mandatory for both commercial and domestic. Once you've filled in the mandatory information and any other details that you need, you can save the file to your computer. Remember to save it as an Excel file and not CSV or any other format. Importing your customers via the import file. When you are ready to import the Excel file, you can go to Contacts, select the Import Contacts option from the drop-down menu and click Apply. In the Import pop-up, click Choose File and select the import file you saved on your computer. Once you've selected the file, click Import Now. The system will then display the file imported successfully completion message, or it will show you the errors from the file if there are any missed mandatory fields or an incorrect format. Your customers are now imported to your account. So now you've learnt how to download the customer import file, how to fill in the customer import file, and how to import your customers via the import file in Workever.